My first time in Asia. I came to Q School a couple of weeks ago on the Asian Senior PGA Tour and managed to win Q School, and I had a 4th place finish in the first tournament at Glen Marie in Kuala Lumpur, and so I'm very proud and excited to be able to win the Indonesian Seniors Masters this week in a playoff. So I've enjoyed my time in Medan. The weather's been pretty warm, but everybody's been very friendly, very helpful to get all the players around, keep us well hydrated and nice and cool. Hotel's been fantastic, club staff have been fantastic, and most of us all look forward to coming back next year to do this all over again. Hopefully they'll turn the temperature down just a little bit, but also the course conditions have been fantastic, especially after the storm last night. A lot of people put in a lot of hard work to clear trees and put bunkers back into play, and the course played very, very well. All the players have commented, on the greens and how undulating they are. It's somewhat difficult, but a welcome change in our schedule to be able to play something a little bit different than we would normally play. So those are the challenges that we set ourselves as we're older. So, and they're kind of a lot of fun. So, a good camaraderie with everybody. So, and I'm very proud and honoured to obviously take the win. So, thank you.
What a great start to the inaugural Asian Senior Masters Medan. We wish to thank our sponsors, whom you can see behind me. Thanks so much. Eagle, Hotel Sochi, Bali High. They've helped to make this tournament possible. We'd also like to thank the Governor of Northern Sumatra and the Ministry of Tourism for their support. It's been a great event. We had a tie between Kim Olsen and Chang from Taipei. 1-hole playoff with Kim emerging as the victor. We look forward to a considerable victory in the future as we come back to Medan next year. Until then, we move forward to Johor, then on to Batam. Thank you and happy golfing.
Okay, today we had our winner from Asian Senior Masters, Mr. Kim Olsen. All is really good. The golfers enjoyed Medan, they really enjoyed Sumatra. I'd like to thank all of our sponsors who helped out, and yeah, look forward to next year. We'll see if we get another winner. Okay, thank you.